Welcome to the unboxing of the Azpen Wonder Tablet K749 Kids Tablet. Inside the box you will find the user manual explaining how the parental control system works. You will also find a quick start guide and the Azpen warranty policy. The kids tablet has a 7-inch LCD 1024 by 600 display. It's a pretty bright display, very nice. It has a 5-point capacitive touchscreen. It also has an all-winner A33 quad-core 1.3 gigabytes processor. It comes with 1 gigabyte of RAM and 8 gigabytes of storage. Let's go ahead and unlock it here. This is a home screen. To go to the kids section, all you have to do is press this little icon right here, the kids face, and it'll take you to the kids section. That's where all the games are, all the games that are pre-installed, and all the things that the kids will be using on a daily basis. The tablet has a little stand as well, so you can prop it up when you're watching a movie. And it also comes with a little rubber case. It's for extra protection and for grip. Better grip so that the little kids don't drop it. Inside the box you will also see this long white box. This is where your adapter is. This is the cord. This is what you plug in to the tablet to charge it as part of the adapter. And you will also find a USB to micro USB cord in case you want to connect the tablet to your computer or PC and transfer files back and forth. Thank you for watching the unboxing video for the Azpen Wonder Tablet K749 tablet. Thank you.